Hi Scorpios, welcome back. This is your special reading for the next 24 hours. So we are picking few cards for your general energies, your career situation and relationship. So and we will be picking cards for your circumstances, your past, what obstacles you're facing, and what is the situation today, what is the future outcome. So I request you to watch this reading till the end. That way you will get the clarity you are expecting to see in this reading, Scorpios. So we will start with this card here. We have Page of Pentacles in reverse. So there is going to be some kind of a news reaching you today. Maybe it may not be a very good news. It may be a little, it may be a little, give you a little worries or make you a little sad. But let's hope for the best. Having positive intentions in our life is going to change the whole circumstance, Scorpios. So, no matter what you hear or what you come about, you must never ever give up your strength, your inner strength. And Scorpios, we have 8 of Cups. So maybe this is a very positive card. So maybe I feel that it may not be a negative news. It may be a very good news, something that is going to make you celebrate, something that is going to make you very happy. Circumstances are good for you. You are celebrating something, celebrating some kind of success, or you are in a holiday mood. Maybe this maybe the time you are having fun with your friends and family, having a great time with your person. Things are going in a beautiful way in your life. So we will see more cards. We have 8 of Swords in reverse and 5 of Swords. So, in your situation, it may be in your past or it may be something that has happened. You are trying your best, you are doing your best, trying to resolve things, trying to change the way things are going. You are a very dedicated person, but whatever you do, whatever you did, maybe you were right. You did everything you could in your power, but there is someone who has left you, or someone who has been avoiding you, and it is really painful for you. Though you are trying to be really good with this person, trying to build a beautiful understanding with this person, things are going in a very difficult way. And however hard you are trying to make this person understand, maybe this person is not someone who listens to you, and maybe they are not thinking of coming back. But it may be your past situation today. Maybe circumstances have changed or is changing. Things are changing for the better, maybe. So we will see few cards here for your outcome. So we have Queen of Wands and 3 of Swords. So you love this person, you have a very friendly attitude towards them, you love them deeply, but there are certain things you must be really careful about. We have 3 of Swords here. So maybe this person, they have some plans and they may be seeing someone else, and it is best for you to be really careful with this person, Scorpios. This person cannot be what to say, trusted, I feel. Maybe you love them, you respect them, you adore this person, but this person's intentions with these cards, I feel, is not good. You must take your time if you are thinking of marriage or commitment with this person. You must take your time, Scorpios. And maybe for some of you, it may be a delay in work. It may have nothing to do with your personal life. It may simply mean a delay or some kind of a suspension in your work situation. So things are going in a little, what to say, in a very slow way. So you must take your time, and if you are making important decisions, you must think twice before you step into something. So we will see more cards for your situation, Scorpios. So we have King of Pentacles and Star. So your hopes and dreams are right in front of you, and you have all the skills and talents, and you are someone who makes things happen. So whatever it is, you strive hard, you try to achieve those dreams and plans, whatever you have for yourself, and you are a very talented person, and maybe you are doing your best, and you are someone with that magical touch. So whatever you do, you try to succeed, you try to do things the right way, in the correct way, and that energy is working here, Scorpio. So whatever your situation is in your relationship or in your career, things are going to take a very positive turn. Maybe you may have, you may feel that you cannot trust this person. There are certain things you need to see with clarity. Whatever it is, guys, situation will change. So you must never lose hope. So we will see the final two cards for your circumstances. We have Page of Cups in reverse and Ace of Cups. So just like I said, whatever your situation is, Scorpios, you are going to feel so happy, content. This is going to be your final outcome. Things are falling into place, and you are going to be brimming with happiness, contentment, satisfaction, and joy. So all that confusion, doubts, whatever it may be, everything is changing for you. Whatever this person was hiding from you, or maybe they were not good, you may feel anything can change, Scorpios. So that is the reading for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I will see you next time. Bye, Scorpios.